SEDL. Siemens Electrical Drives Limited is one of the biggest operating companies for Siemens in China, producing large drive electrical motors and drives. Based on the state-of-the-art Siemens drive technology, SEDL manufactures identical drives, motors and generators with the same design and quality as Siemens factories in Germany. The product portfolio includes converters, industry motors. SEDL has implemented the total quality management system for the complete supply chain. Particularly, zero defect culture is one of the top priorities of the company. With the introduction of the Siemens production system, SEDL is becoming a benchmark for lean management and was awarded the best operating company for Siemens Northeast Asia in the year 2011. Besides manufacturing, SEDL is an R&D hub for the development of local products and applications, with the same development platform and process as in headquarters, to best fit the customer's requirements and assuring international quality standards. Under the guidance of the company's vision to be the benchmark in its business field guided by lean principle, SEDL is continuously enhancing its competitiveness with a high-performance culture and creating values to its customers. Right now, we're supporting our customers around the world to find new ways to make things right. We're helping to make everything with fewer resources and higher standards. Make companies more competitive and countries ready for whatever lies ahead.
Siemens.